How to set time limits on TikTok. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to set a time limit or screen time on TikTok. So if you have been using TikTok a lot and want to take a break or want to get reminded to take a break from TikTok, this is how you do it. So the first thing you need to do is open up your TikTok application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you have done that, go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now tap on the hamburger menu on the top right, then head over to settings and privacy. And once you get here, scroll down a bit and you will find this option that says screen time. Just tap on it. And as you can see, my daily screen time is turned off right now. So you will see your entire time spent or times that you open TikTok. So now what you need to do is go ahead and turn on your daily screen time. What it will do is TikTok will let you know if you reach your daily time to help you balance your day. So go ahead and tap on set daily screen time. Now you actually have two options here. You can set the limit every day the same limit, or you can add a custom limit per day. So if you want, you can adjust the limit like this, but I'm just gonna set the same limit for every day. And I'm just gonna set it to 1 hour and 30 minutes. Then tap on next. And once you do that, your 1 hour and 30 minutes will be enabled. And once your screen time is recorded to 1 hour 30 minutes, TikTok will remind you to take a break. You can also add screen time breaks. You can get a 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or you can add a custom time to take a break. So that's how you easily set time limits on TikTok. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.